Google is rolling out a new feature called Scan Text in Gboard, the virtual keyboard app for Android and iOS devices. The new feature in Gboard that lets you scan and insert text from the real world into any app you want. It's like Google Lens, but integrated into Gboard. There are many scenarios where this scan text feature can be very useful. For example, if you want to copy and paste text from a book, a magazine, or a sign without typing it manually, or if you're just curious about something and you want to scan it and share it with your friends or family. Sounds amazing, right? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use scan text step by step and why it's a game changer for anyone who needs to input text quickly and easily. So, stay tuned and don't miss this. Before we get started, you need to make sure you have the latest version of Gboard installed on your Android device. If you don't, you can go to the Play Store and join the beta program for Gboard. This will allow you to access the scan text feature before it's officially released to the public. Don't worry, it's free and easy to join. Just follow the instructions on the screen, and you'll be ready to go in no time. Once you have the latest version of Gboard, you can start using scan text in any app that supports text input, such as WhatsApp, Gmail, or Google Docs. To use scan text, you need to tap on the More Tools icon in Gboard. Then, you need to choose the Scan Text tool from the menu. This will open the camera viewfinder on your screen, where you can take a picture of any text you want to scan. For example, let's say you want to scan the text from this book cover. All you have to do is point your camera at the book and tap on the Take a Photo of Words to Scan button. Gboard will then use its optical character recognition, OCR technology to recognize and highlight the text from the photo. You can see the text in blue, with tags on either end, so you can adjust it if needed. You can also zoom in or out, or rotate the photo to get a better view of the text. Once you're happy with the text selection, you can tap on the Insert button at the bottom of the screen. This will copy the text and paste it into the app you're using. You can see a quick preview of what Gboard copied beside the Insert button. You can also edit the text if you want to make any changes or corrections. And that's it. You've just used Scan Text to scan and insert text from the real world into your app. How cool is that? You can use Scan Text for any text you want, as long as it's clear and readable. So, that's how you use Scan Text. Scan Text is a powerful and convenient feature that can save you time and hassle when you need to input text on your Android device or iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.